Every process begins long before the factory doors open.
Here, precision starts with understanding the animal.
Only selected specimens move forward.
Control ensures safety for everyone involved. Each batch is tracked from the very first step.
Nothing moves without verification. The journey continues beyond the enclosures. Movement turns preparation into progress.
Secured.
Stability is engineered, not assumed.
Distance separates nature from industry.
Time and motion carry the process forward. The factory waits, already alive.
Precision continues, even at arrival.
Inside, the system is already moving. Transport ends where transformation begins. Crossing the line where scale takes over. Every entry point is designed for flow. Efficiency depends on environment.
People and machines move as one.
Direction is deliberate. Conditions shift with purpose.
Cleanliness starts at the entrance.
Now, the real work begins.
Every step is controlled, deliberate.
Clean processing begins immediately.
Surface impurities are removed first.
Quality is judged early.
Each path is predetermined.
Consistency is built into the system.
Preparation is complete. Now the system takes full control.
Accuracy defines the outcome.
Movement pauses. Purpose does not. This is where transformation truly begins. Nothing is left unmanaged.
Human oversight remains essential.
The line never stops. What enters now will not leave the same.
Transformation relies on controlled extremes.
Balance is engineered, not guessed. Scale turns technique into output. Consistency is visible. Consistency is visible.
Experience still matters.
Refinement happens in layers.
The transformation holds.
Now, precision takes over.
Automation begins with exact positioning.
Machines repeat what humans perfected. Every detail is measured. Correction happens instantly.
Flow is never interrupted.
Human oversight remains constant. From automation to accuracy.
Exactness defines the next stage.
Precision begins where tolerance ends. Uniformity is engineered. Texture defines quality. Every gram is accounted for. Skill still leaves its mark. Cleanliness seals the process. Stability is locked in.
Now it must be proven. Nothing leaves unexamined.
Data confirms consistency.
Standards are non-negotiable.
Standards are non-negotiable.
Cleared to move forward.
Control includes removal. Only proven output proceeds. The final stage turns process into product. Protection is part of quality. Traceability never ends.
Volume meets order.
Storage bridges production and delivery.
The journey continues beyond the factory.
And this is how modern factories produce snake meat from start to finish.